Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make sweet potatoes with very little oil, sweet potato fries with 1 teaspoon of oil. So I have some sweet potatoes cleaned up and cut in circles and cooking. You can cut lengthwise like wedges. So now they're going to boil until they're a little bit soft, and then I'm going to fry them in 1 teaspoon oil. So as you can see, I put about 1 teaspoon of As you can see, I put about 1 teaspoon of oil into this non-stick pan, and I have laid down all the sweet potato circle cuts, and these are all boiled, slightly boiled, not mushy gushy. And then I'm going to cook it in very low heat for long enough for them to get crispy on both sides. So I'll do one side, then turn it to the other side, and they will be very tasty, crispy sweet potato fries with only 1 teaspoon of oil. So that's how you can make healthy sweet potato fries. And I have added little bit of Celtic sea salt just sprinkled on, and little bit of black pepper just sprinkled on them. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.